All right, we got a 2015 F-150. Let's go ahead and get the Condor set up. North American, Ford. Come on. And 2015 will be our right there, H75 M5 A clamp already set up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm just showing this real quick and all. Where it hits the decode, let it go. Yes, you notice there's a plastic bag on there. I do that to keep the metal shavings out of the customer's remote. Just a little trick. There we go, keys learned. Now, I do something for a value add for my customers. I will turn around and actually do another key, non-transponder, and cut it for them. The reason why, I verified before I cut mine. Remote headed key, but also I do a lot of work with farmers. They appreciate it. So do what you want, take it. Just the advice I would give is, it cuts in your profit a little bit, but is it going to hurt you? No. Okay, off camera I turned around and buffed the key, went to the customer's vehicle. It worked. Right now I'm actually using Blue Rocket American Key Supply, just one of my suppliers I use. We all have our own preferences, so we'll go our own route. Got everything set properly. Make sure to grab your brush, clean it, because these can be a little finicky. And put a bag over it again. And okay, start cutting. Cut key recording according to actual depth value. There we go. Yeah, we don't need to see this again either. All right. Now, the reason why I'm opening this bad boy up, I don't know how old this battery is, and I don't want to call back. And as you can see, it's not wanting to register. So good thing I did. Yep, that is now a housing because the customer asked if I could do that. So we're going to turn around and do that and rehouse their old one. They like the new buttons. All right, there we go. Wire brush time it is. Now, battery's been changed out, so the new remote has a new battery. They want a new shell for theirs. We'll put another battery in that one if it tests bad or is low. And make sure on the receipt you write down the code for the customer And this little trick right here got me another job over here. So it does pay off. Like I said, value added. All right, let's go program them. All right, let's go in and get this bad boy programmed. (2015) immobilizer, add a key, lift and switch off. All right, now let's test our buttons. All right, hey, if you like this kind of content or want more of it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, whatnot. And this 518 is worth it, in my opinion. All right, you guys have a good one and be safe out there.